Hey guys, what's up? It's Mr. Helsel again today. Today is Wednesday, September 9th, and today we will be doing some Canvas work. We've got one assignment for you, and we're going to do some map work as well. So as I'm clicking into my Unit 1 Basics of Geography, map recognition is the first thing on today's agenda. And so if you look right at my screen, you'll see the map that we are doing in class today. Like this, okay? Hopefully you can still hear me. On the side of the map right here, we've got degrees, okay? We also have on this side of the map key. Now I don't know if it'll look flipped or not, but the only thing that we're looking at today are the degrees on the side, because we are using the the 5 different vocab words from yesterday, which are equator, the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, and the prime meridian, and the international dateline, and we were finding those on the map today. You can do that if you're at home just by going to another Google tab, and you can type in any of those things and it would show you. But on the map, when we're looking for the equator, we go to the sides and we find the 0 degrees on the sides, which is about right here. And there's a bold line that goes all the way through the world. And when you go through the world, cut it in half, you get 2 sides, which north and south of the equator, okay? The prime meridian starts at the top. It's an imaginary line that runs straight down from 0 degrees here to 0 degrees here. And it cuts the Earth in half this way, cuts it into an eastern and western side. So you got those 2 vocab words. Then you've got the Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degrees above the equator, which is about right here, another dotted line. And another imaginary line, the Tropic of Capricorn, runs right through there. The international dateline is not good for this map, so if you would look online for that one would probably be the best. Now, going to what we are kind of assigning out today is the Basics of Geography Review number 1. Now, it might look different just based on who your teacher is, but this is what mine looks like. You click into it. There are some instructions for you. Click onto the following link and read the article, the equator, the Tropic of Cancer, and the Tropic of Capricorn. You may want to take notes because then you can use the notes on the quiz. You do not have to. It's not required. We're not taking a note points for you, but I would suggest it just so that you can kind of get a feel for what you're looking at, okay, and get into that habit. It's always a good habit to have, taking notes. Yours is going to look a little bit different than mine. All you got to do is scroll down and hit the Take Quiz button. It should be yellow, but this is what the quiz looks like. It's got 10 questions, so it's worth 10 points. Each of these questions on the side, okay, just a very short description, and you are matching this the description to exactly what it's looking for. Okay, so 0 degrees latitude, I'm going to choose, is that the Tropic of Capricorn, the equator, the Tropic of Cancer, or the prime meridian? And I'm going to do that for each of the questions down here on the side, of the descriptions over here on the side. How do you figure that out, Mr. Helsel? Well, if you click on the link, it takes you to an article that looks like this. And the article is very easy to understand. There is a lot of words going on in it that you might have to read, but it is separated into equator, Tropic of Cancer, and Tropic of Capricorn. And then it is also separated into prime meridian. So all 4 of your answers on your quiz are literally the headliners of this article. And so all you would have to do is find 0 degrees latitude. Okay, great. I'm going to start up here at the equator and look at that. Within the first sentence is my first answer. The equator is located at 0 degrees latitude. Easy peasy. So then I would go back. I would click equator, and you're welcome. If you actually watch this video, you get question number 1 correct. You have as many opportunities to submit this quiz. It does not tell you which ones you got wrong, but your grade will never go